Hello, good afternoon. Today I'm going to show you how to use the Follow Me feature on Simple Booklet. First thing is to log into your account and then to locate the Simple Booklet you want to work on. And then once you have that in your dashboard, go ahead and click the design button. Before I click that here, I just want to draw your attention to the followers icon over here. It says 0 followers. This is part of the feature we're going to work with today. So I'm going to go ahead and click design. And then from there, as you can see, I'm opening the design tab. We're going to go to engage, which is this bullseye icon over here. And then we're going to go to the following, which is under the calls to action banner. And you can toggle that feature on and off here depending on whether or not you want to use it. I'm going to go ahead and make sure that's toggled on. And then I'm going to hit the pencil to edit it. Okay, so this is where you manage your followers. Right now it says currently I have no followers to this newsletter, which is monthly newsletter April. And then from here, if you have additional followers on other publications, you would be able to add them here under this add new followers banner. And then we also have a section to notify your followers. So I know that may sound a little confusing right now, but let me just show you what this means in preview. So I'm just going to exit out of this, and then we'll come back here in a second and we'll go through each one. And I'm just going to open this in preview. Okay, so the icon that we're looking for is the heart. Depending on which layout you have for your Simple Booklet, this location will change, but it will be located, represented as the heart. So I'm going to go ahead and click this. Great. And so now it's saying I'm working on it. So any person who's reading your publication who hits that heart button will set up as a follower. And it does give you, as you can see, the author may send you notifications when updates occur. So that's a really handy feature, and I will show you how to do that. So let's just exit out of here. So it's very simple to follow for your clients or customers to follow. So I'm just going to go ahead and close out of here. Now I'm going to go back to the engage. And now it's showing 1 follower. So this is where that information will be. And then if we go into this add followers, now it's separated this. You can see it's saying basically I have 1 follower. This is me. And then same over here. And then if you wanted to send an update, this is where you would do it. So if I made a change to the document or a correction of some kind, or if I just wanted to give an update with some sort of related material, this is where you would send that message within your following tab. So it's a very useful tool, especially if you're managing large email lists. If you've got a specific event, there's all kinds of places in which this could be really useful. And once you have someone following one document, one of your Simple Booklets, you can use that same information, that same contact list, and transfer it through to other of your other Simple Booklets as well. So in this case, it's a monthly newsletter. If they're following April, I'm going to go ahead and assume that they'd like to follow me as well. So it can be really handy way to grow your business and also just to stay more engaged with your clients. So that's it. That's how you use following.